Hello friends, standard 10, subject maths, chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Now let's see some example. First, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Here first, x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 into bracket x plus 3. So a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus 1 whole square is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2 into x minus 3. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x, 3 to the 6. Here both sides have 2x, so we can cancel out easily. So remain x square plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square plus 7 is equals to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a is not equals to 0 because a has a value of 1. Therefore this equation is called as a quadratic equation. Let's see another example. X minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 x plus 3. So x plus a or x plus b equation you have to solve. It is equals to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So x minus 2 x plus 1 is equals to x square plus minus 2 plus 1 x plus minus 2 into 1. So we can get x square minus x minus 2, and right hand side x minus 1 x plus 3, again x square plus minus 1 plus 3 into x minus 1 into 3. So x square plus 2x minus 3. Now let us compare. So x square minus x minus 2 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 3. Here x square cancel out. So no x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. But a is equals to 0. Therefore the equation is not quadratic equation. In the above example, we have given that the equation that we form. In this example, how to form a quadratic equation from data. Here data is given and you have to form the quadratic equation only, not to solve. The product of the consecutive positive integer is 31306. So product of the two consecutive numbers, the first number be x and second number be x plus 1, two consecutive number here, x and x plus 1, their product. So product is equals to 306. So x into x plus 1 is equals to 306. Multiply x into x plus 1. So x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. This is our equation that is in form is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 in general form. So here is the equation that x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. Here we make the equation from the data. Now let us see another method, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. So in quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If alpha satisfies the equation, then alpha become your factor, your root or zeros of the equation. You can say all of these or any of these. Let us find the root of the equation. So first, 6x square minus 6 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 2. First multiply a into c. So 6 into minus 2 will give minus 12. Now factor that will become minus 1. So 4 3s are 12 and minus 4 plus 3 become minus 1x. So here write the equation: x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Make a pair of 2 common, x minus 4 minus 3, again x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x minus 4 and x minus 3 are my factor. X minus 4 is equals to 0, or we can say that x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 4 or x is equals to 3 are my two roots of this equation. Let us check another example. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. Again, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 100, b is equals to minus 20, c is equals to 1. Again a into c. So 100 into 1 become 100. Factor that we get minus 20. So 10 tens are 20. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equals to 0. Make a pair of 2 again, 10x. So 10x minus 1 minus 1, 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. So 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1. Here both the factor are same. So 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 1 by 10. Here two roots are 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Let us see another example where find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So first number be x and second number be 27 minus x, because both has sum is 27, so other number is 27 minus x, and their product is given, which is 182. So x 27 minus x is equals to 182. 27x minus x square is equals to 182. X square minus 27x plus 182 is equals to 0. Again compare with the ax square plus bx plus c, then we can get a into c, which is equals to 1 into 182. So 182 is our answer. Now factor of that 182 and get 27. Here 182 is plus number, positive, so the sign of the middle term is same. So 14 into 13 we get 182. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equals to 0. To factorize, x common, x minus 14 minus 13 common, x minus 14 is equals to 0. So x minus 14 and x minus 13 is equals to 0. So we can get x is equals to 14 or x is equals to 13. If first number be 14, then second number be 13, and if first number be 13, then second number be 14. So here we can say that the two numbers are 13 and 14. Let us see another example. The altitude of a right angle is 7 cm less than its base. If hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. So here first draw a simple figure so you can relate. Here base, here is given that the right angle is 7 cm less than its base. Altitude is 7 cm less than its base. Let base be x and altitude be x minus 7, and here hypotenuse given is as 13. So by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus altitude square is equals to hypotenuse square. So x square x minus 7 square is equals to 13 square. X square, here a minus b formula, a minus b whole square. So x square minus 14x plus 49 is equals to 169. X square plus x square, 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equals to 0. 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equals to, now divide by 2. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Here a into c, then 1 minus 60 give us minus 60. Factorize to 12 5 is 60 minus 12 plus 7 will give us minus 7. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equals to 0. Here the two part, x minus plus 5 x minus 12 is equals to 0. So x minus 12 and x plus 5 is equals to 0. Here x and x is equals to minus 5, which is not possible. Here not possible because the length is not in minus. So our final answer is x is equals to 12. So we can get base be 12 and altitude be 12 minus 7, which is equals to 5. So here base is 12 and altitude is 5. Now here is the completion of lecture 1. Please like, share and subscribe and comment your views.